He who laughs last just get the joke. So, a paraprodokian is defined as a phrase or sentence that ends in an unexpected way, usually humorous. That's what I was trying a while ago. I usually say you laugh last, laugh best. But we change it. So that's what I just did.
Like when you said usually humorous.
Usually.
Because my producer, them have a sense of humor that
is
usually
questionable.
Yes.
Thank
I like
you.
that. I like that.
Questionable.
It's questionable.
Okay.
So let's go through some examples of paraprodokians and see what we think.
So, where there's a will, normally they would say,
there's a way.
But where there's a will, I want to be in it. May I agree?
All right. Next one. The last thing I want to do is hurt you.
But
it's still on my list.
So you want to hurt me?
Yes.
On public television, you are telling people that you want to hurt me. All right. So they say that since light travels faster than sound,
some people appear bright until you hear them speak.
I have a couple of them right with me. No.
Some people probably see them do, you know, so something.
So if I agreed with you,
we'd both be wrong.
Me love it. Okay.
I like to follow my dreams.
It keeps me in bed till almost noon.
But I like to stay on my bed till
I love that.
All right. War does not determine who is right.
Only who is left.
That one's funny.
But you know what that means?
Eh?
Some people probably don't know what that means.
So war only determines who's right, only who is left.
When you say only who is left, some people might not understand what that means.
Mean everybody else did that.
Thank you. So it's not who up on the left hand side. It's who live in life. Knowledge is knowing a tomato is a fruit.
Wisdom is not putting it in a fruit salad.
But if it's a fruit, why we can't put it in a fruit salad?
You don't eat tomato in a fruit salad? Me never know tomato is a fruit.
So them say. To steal ideas from one person is plagiarism.
Yes, I'm going to tell this to my teacher. To steal from many is research.
Why you going to tell the teacher that?
Because if you plagiarize and throw you out of you, say, miss, it's not plagiarism, it's research. It's research.
I didn't say it was your fault.
I said I was blaming you.
Which is the same thing.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
No. I could have my fault, but I'm going to blame you.
Go on now.
You do not need a parachute to skydive.
You only need a parachute to skydive twice. Which means you can skydive the first time without anything and splatter. But if you want to do it again, you need a parachute, don't you? I used to be indecisive.
But now I'm not so sure.
Which means I'm still indecisive, no.
To be sure of hitting the target,
shoot first and call whatever you hit the target.
Me like that. Me like that. So me aim for London and it catch Marvin.
It's Marvin.
Marvin was the target.
Yeah.
Although he probably would have been the target anyway.
Going to church doesn't make you a Christian.
Not at all. Any more than standing in a garage makes you a car. I'm going to put that on my profile today. Bless God, bless Jesus.
You're never too old
to learn something stupid.
Yeah. That is quite true.
I like work. It fascinates me.
I can sit and look at it for hours.
All right, so this one, you know, Mr. Mayor Aubrey, do not argue with an idiot.
This is one you?
Aubrey.
He will drag you down to his level and beat you with experience.
Take my advice.
Cousin say, I'm not using it.
Go on with it. And
final one.
If you can smile when things go wrong,
you have someone in mind to blame. All right. Morning to Marie Miller. A big time
Marie, you got blame?
No. Apparently she suggested this fun stuff to our producer.
Oh, thank you, Marie.
Hey, Marie. I hope you're watching now, Marie, and you would have said, telling everybody now, say, says me, tell them to do that. Eh? I mean, tell them to do that. So he who laugh last.
Just get the joke.
Just get the joke.
Still ahead, a best dressed ride. But that's going to be after the break. Now it's News in 5.
You look nice, still. I mean, I like how you look. You're pretty. Very pretty, actually.
May I wait for the Paradokian?
No, you're gorgeous. I have nothing more to say. I'm giving you a compliment. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah. Hey, Rex. When I hear her. Rex.
Morning.
Oh, no, I'm hearing you.
Hey, Rexy.
I'm good. How are you guys?
We can't complain. Good. Give thanks. Give thanks.
Good.